I was exhausted at Utako Park after a long road journey from Port Harcourt to Abuja when I reluctantly touched my phone and the first notification I got was a payment notification. Boom! Someone just paid for my digital course. And at that point, I didn't even know how to feel. The first thing that came to my mind was like, oh, so I'm beginning to experience what I've been doing research on, that you can make money while asleep, while traveling, while spending time with family. I was excited, and that moment changed my life forever, like till now. And in today's video, I want to show you how you too can experience this, how you can create and start selling digital products. Hi, I'm Rachael Brian. You're welcome to my channel. Let's dive into what we have to do today. First thing that will come to your mind is, what is digital products? You must have heard it before. You're just hearing it for the first time. Digital products are downloadables. They are in form of ebooks, courses, audios, templates. There is no distance barrier in selling digital products because these are something that can be accessible online. It could either be downloaded, or you are giving access to the class, or you have the one-on-one section with someone. It doesn't have to be you in person. Everything is being done on your phone and on your laptop. So it's that easy. And these things are not something that are difficult to get. They're something that is within you. It could be a strategy. Then probably there's a way you do things. There's a way you handle your class. There's a way you handle your business. There's a way you handle your children or your siblings that other people don't know how to do. You might say, how do I know other people don't know how to do? Try it first and you check if you won't start selling. It could be those things that you know how to do. Questions that people have been asking you that you answer with ease. These things can be turned into a digital product. It could be packaged into a course. It could be packaged into an ebook. It could be packaged into templates, and you teach people how to do it. It's not that difficult. What you need to do now, as you're watching this video, give this video a like and make sure you watch to the end, because by the end of this video, you should be able to do these things yourself. If you skip out, you're going to leave half-baked. So make sure you watch to the end. Here was what I did exactly that got me that sales. The first thing is for you to identify what you can teach. Teaching is not as difficult as you think. Where it becomes difficult is when you're teaching what you don't know. But if you're teaching what you know, it's very, very easy to teach. So the next thing, like the questions I get most times from people in my DM is, I don't know anything. It's not true. There is something that you know how to do, and you know how to do it very well. All right. Let's take, for instance, people come to you to ask you question about a particular skill. You know this skill, you know how to do everything about that skill. People come to you to ask questions and you answer questions. That is exactly what we are saying. If you can answer those questions, that means you can teach those things. It's just for you to get a little guide, which I'm here to guide you. It's for you to get a little guide and you will know the exact way to place it. Let's also take a look at your experience. There is an experience that you've had that you can actually tell someone, oh, this is what to do when you're here. This is how to place it. This is the exact strategy to do. It could be a travel experience. You travel from your country to another country. You could document the processes that you did to get to that point. It could be you got a job, right? You could also document how you were able to get those jobs, what you did differently, and teach someone, because not everyone has gotten to the point you are. There are people that want to get to where you are, but they don't know how. So you packaging these things into a course will actually put money in your pocket passively. And the interesting part is that having a digital product doesn't require location, which means you can travel, you can sell to any country, and you can also sell in different currency. It's sweet. You can just decide, probably you are in Nigerian, you can decide to sell your courses only in USD. You will get people that will buy from you. You can decide to sell in cedis, Ghana cedis. You can decide to sell in Chinese yuan. Any currency you want, you can do that. All right, so we've talked about, it could be a skill that you know how to do, baking, sewing, any skill. graphic design, social media management, any of them, cleaning services, you can sell a course out of all of this. It could be strategy, it could be your experience, it could also be your knowledge. The particular course I sold that night that got me excited, it was exact 11 p.m., almost midnight. I wasn't pushing, I wasn't chatting with any client, but I made that sales. That was my knowledge. It was something I knew, something I know very well. And I started teaching people. I packaged it into a course and I sold it. So you could also share your knowledge about things, about places, about people. Is that nice? So I told you that you have something to sell. What you're going to do for me now in the comments, drop a comment about a particular skill that you have that people have been asking you questions about, or particular skill you've been giving people advice on. It could be a skill, knowledge, or experience. Drop it in the comment section right now. Then I'll give you tips on how to go about them. The next thing you need to do after identifying your skill, knowledge, and experience is to package it into a digital product. So how well can you flow? I flow very well with video, and that is the reason why my courses are video courses. Yours could be writing. You can package it into an ebook. You write about them. You don't still need to worry. I'm here to guide you, right? You package them into an ebook. You could also package them as a template. Templates could be, you look at my video. My video looks different from other creators' video. How was she able to achieve this? I have a template on how I achieved that. My picture template, the presets I use, you could say all of that. So it's very, very simple. So that's the second step. The third step is set up a sales funnel. A sales funnel will also be like a landing page where people get to read about what you're doing, what your course is about, what your ebook is about. It has to be one page website. Yeah, a one page website, which is also called a landing page. It has explanation to everything. It has to be convincing. Then you also have your account details there that you don't need to come send your account details. They make payments online even before you wake up in the morning. You wake up to sales alert, credit alert, and the rest of it. The next you have to do is to market it using social media and adverts. Yes, you can run sponsored ads on this your digital product. And you know one thing about sponsored ad, it doesn't pause when you're sleeping. It's still there. Another thing about social media doesn't go off when you are asleep. It runs 247, which means if you're selling or you're promoting your product, your digital product on social media, even while you're asleep, while you're spending time with your loved ones, with your family, is still running. And you know, sometimes when you're asleep, other people are awake. And using the right platform also sets you on a very high side of getting clients and students. At this point, if you don't still know what to do or you need a guidance, this is why I created my How to Create and Sell Your Digital Product course. So in this course, it breaks down everything from identifying what you can teach down to setting up your one-page website, which is the landing course, down to automation and social media marketing. I show you how to do this step by step. Like, you can call me your coach, because once you get this course, you have me and you to make this work out, and you will start selling and making money passively from what you're doing. You could be a content creator, a business owner. You might need it as a side hustle. As a content creator, yes, I understand that we are being paid for so many things, brand deals, AdSense, and the rest. But do you know that you can also make money teaching aspiring content creators on how you got to the top? Yes, you can. So all you need to do is to click the link in the description and get this course. It's an investment that you won't regret. I invested in this some years back, and I know what it has been like for me, right? So you can invest in it as a business owner. Yes, you could be doing your business, but do you also know you can also teach someone the strategies you use and the person will pay you for it? Yes, I know most times people are scared of teaching their strategy. Teaching your strategy doesn't mean that you won't get clients again. You need to understand that the sky is big enough for everyone, and the sky is just a starting point. So you teaching your strategy doesn't steal customers away from you. Even if the one you have go, more people will come. That's the reason why I don't get keep. I teach, right? So all you need to do is to click the link in the description and you can have access to this course. Of course, it's a paid course. With this, we've come to the end of the video. Just imagine waking up to credit lag, to having access to financial freedom without you selling every hour of your time for money. Is that sweet? Okay, so if you want to get to me, you can reach me out on Instagram at Rachael Bryan or on TikTok at Rachael Bryan, and we have it rolling from there. See you in my next video. Bye.